Soon as he got here. Jeez. Anybody with June birthdays? Shout out to all the June birthdays. That was fast. June is fast.
Yeah, mine was Tuesday.
Hey, happy birthday, big dog.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Let's do it. I'll look around for news first. Forex Factor is the first place I'll typically check. Um, and I'll be looking for where there's USD news. So you see like USD right there. USD unemployment claims. So we have some news that's coming in about a minute and 55 seconds. And then USD. Got some other stuff, some 9s and 930s, nothing too crazy. Leading index unemployment claims, Philly Fed, and natural gas today. Nothing too crazy. Let's go to Econo Day. This is another place where I find news, but the news at Econo Day is more domestic news. If the internet ever internets. Can you kind of go there quickly for me? It's taking a while for that to happen. That's really weird. A 504? Wow. Everybody has web problems sometime. Trust me, I know. Well, maybe, okay, here we go. June the 18th. We got jobless claims in Philly Fed happening in a minute. Leading indicators at 10, natural gas at 10:30. So that looks pretty cool. Nothing too crazy. Any questions about any of those announcements? All right, easy work. Easy work. Let's keep it cracking. Here we are. You're 104, you're 102, you're 103, and you're 101. First stop, 30-year Treasury bonds. It's always my first stop. Always stop there first. I think because the bonds are the schoolmaster of the market, I think because the bonds trade in such enormous volume as compared to other markets, I think because the bonds are the type of instrument that aren't easily manipulated by headlines or tweets, it's a good place for me to kind of first get my bearings. So that's what I do. I go to the bonds first. These are the 30-year Treasury bonds, not to be confused with the 5-year, 10-year notes. We've been making our way to the upside pretty good this evening, looking at the current candle. Let me just give you a tour if it's your first time, especially for you, Anita. Up here is the instrument that I'm trading. Right there is how many minutes it took to make each of these candles. Okay, over here is price. Everybody say price.
Price.
Yeah, that's a
Right.
Nice.
that's a good voice. I like those voices. Down here is time. Everybody say time. Time.
Time.
Time.
Time.
Yeah. So time will be rolling. Typically, it'll roll this way to the right. And as time rolls on, what we'll do is predict what will happen as it goes. I think that man, oh man, it feels as though we should be selling the bonds right now. They've reached some pretty good highs. I think that they deserve to kind of taper off in this area. So sell them we shall, and we'll just go from there. Over here, we just got order window stuff. What account I'm in, if I'm buying or selling the markets, the bid, the ask, etc. Nothing too crazy. The general game of trading and or investing is that you want to buy it and you want it to go up because that's how you'll make money, or you want to sell it and you want it to go down because that's how you make money. That's like the general gist of it. Like you don't want to buy a stock and the price of the stock falls. You don't want to sell a stock and the price of the stock rises. You don't want to do that. Buying typically means that you want the little candle to keep going up green, and selling typically means that you want the candle to keep going down and be red. We're cool on that? Everybody's cool? All right. On the daily chart, things that I'm watching out for, give me 113.22, and it's paired with 20. Those things are good together. I think as well, to me it's pretty far, but I'll keep a watch on 113.03. 113.03 is next. That's my daily chart read. If I go down to a 4 hour time frame, I want you to notice that as I kind of change these tabs down at the bottom, everybody, see down here those tabs? It's like these different tabs. They're the same instrument, but there'll be different time frames. If you look up here, like now, instead of saying 1440, it says 240 because each one of these candles is being made every 4 hours, you know? So I'll look at the same thing, but I'll look at it from quote unquote a different time frame. It's almost like giving me a different angle to perceive it. That's basically, what it is. Nothing too crazy. All right. Let's see. You say you fed up with me. I think it's gonna be a blast type of morning. Need that boy Blastberry Bond in the building. Yeah. Last night I heard Nye got into it. Always good to see Nye doing her thing in the trade room. She's amazing. Y'all, anybody went to the trade room last night? Hung out with Nye for a little bit?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Shout out to Nye.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all praise her up, man. She's amazing. In this community, we trade 5 times a week during the day and 3 times a week during the evening. So we're always together Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday as well in the night. So you can always trade. We created that nighttime room because so many of our students have day jobs and they still deserve the opportunity to watch and be mentored by great traders who know about combines and candles and everything in between. So we created this nighttime room so that even if you work in the day, you can jump on with the community and with the leadership at night and still have a guide as you do the things that you do in the market, as you buy and sell. 60-minute chart to me is weird. I think I'm looking above. I see a 29 and 31 and like a 01. So it's like a 4 hour thing going on there. And then 114.11 and 08s. So if I were to buy and sell in here today, I'm just doing this as a guide for my students, okay? As a guide.
Order submitted.
These are some of the prices that to me stand out.
Order submitted.
They pop out as places where the market will
Order submitted.
sell from, in this case. So 114.04
Order submitted.
and 114.01
Order submitted.
and 113.29.
Order submitted.
And that's where I see the selling. Of course, where it is now as well. I see a 113.23. If I had to do anything, I would sell right where I was.
Order filled.
Because those are sellers. What I want to see is, where we'll be in another maybe 20 minutes or so. But so far, we opened up super high on the market, super high open, and a whole lot of overnight moves, to the upside. I like to see some of this stuff get pushed back in. Let's start going down. If there were prices that I would buy, these are the prices I would buy 113.13, and I got a little bit of love for some tens.
Order submitted.
Got some love for 113.07.
Order submitted.
Some love for 113.04.
Order submitted.
It's kind of cascading on the way down, really. It's kind of pretty.
Order submitted.
Yeah, that's about it. Nothing else.
Order submitted.
If there was anything I'd be looking for today on the bonds, I'd be looking for some confirmation of upside stuff and then like it reverse and come back into the range. Yeah. I'd be looking for something like that. And then maybe we can spend the rest of the morning selling. Any questions about anything?
Order submitted.
I want to hear 19s when they come out. Jesus, yeah. I want to hear these kind of things. 60, 70. Yeah. I think 19 and 13 are going to really be a situation. Prices I'm watching 22, 19, and 13. All of those are really, really serious. I want to see what happens there. That's about it. Any questions? So 25, 19 plus minus those. Market open 19. Plus or minus 16 gives you 114 and 113.03. So 03, 29, and 25 are our reversal level. That's pretty cool. 19 and 8 is 27. I end up 27.31 at 03. That's it. So I'll be watching 27s a little bit too. Just gonna do a little 5-minute homework over here. Make sure I know what's cracking. Jesus, when was the last time we were back? Last time we were up here was April 23rd. You know, 28, 27, 26, 23. Show me, show me, show me what you got. It's uneventful. Eventful 5 minutes. All right. That's my thoughts. Any questions about the bonds?
No, sir.
Okay. Well, now is when I play my first song, typically. I don't see the announcements. Oh. Hey, JD, you were talking to Justin? Justin's a Discord mod. Let's see.
Wagwan. Yeah, I figured.
Let me see. Let me see. The guy's quick on it, right?
Very quick. I don't have the announcements page though.
It's all good. We'll figure it out. Give me that blast and give me that before you go Sky Lounge music. And if I get this set, I'm gonna go get my shower speaker so I can vibe up here in this room. Yeah, God is good. It's gonna be a great day. Before you go, gotta let you know. All right, now I'm on the ES. The ES is also called the S&P 500. It's getting odd out here now. They went and covered that gap yesterday. Yeah, they went and covered it. They were fighting it all day. Just looking at it, seeing what's going on. Market's probably exhausted. From the state of Maine. All right, Jay, let's get good. My daily work ain't really changing. I still like 76.50. I have my eye on 75.51 and probably down 74.27 weight. 4 hour stuff is moving around a little bit, but I still got respect for 75.34. I think I got a 75, 78.50. And I like 76.06. Where all the traders at? Folks who trade has changed their life. Any traders in here, real ones?
Here. Yes.
Right here.
I'm right here.
Trying to change your life? Applaud. I applaud you. Not an easy profession, is it? But once you get it, boy, oh boy.
No, no, no.
On the 4 hour, I still like 75.04. I'm giving a little bit of love to 75.32. 75.76. Anything else to me feels like, you know, a little bit of like foolishness. Anybody in here is like, man, I think trading is cool, but it's like I'll never get it, or can it really change my life? Can this really be a thing? Anybody feeling like that?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Every day.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey,
Most
look at
definitely.
me. Look at me. Look at me. It can change everything. I'm not telling you that for fun. I'm telling you this so you know one thing that's real. Do not quit. You got to fail 1,000 times, but all you got to do is get it right once. And that's cool. It might take a little time for you. Everybody else kind of get it a little quicker than you. I get it. I get it, man. You talking about frustrating? Somebody on the internet saying that they made 20,000 a day, 200,000 a day, 40,000 a day. Don't let go. Trust me, don't let go. Because your time is coming, I promise.
Jay, I'm getting that tattoo that says "Don't quit." I promise I'm getting it.
Order submitted.
I got one right here. It's like grow and serve.
Nice.
You got to remind yourself of some things sometimes. You know, when it gets serious and
Order submitted.
life is real. I'm not here to tell you that it's not, you know what I'm saying?
Order submitted.
But do yourself a favor. Don't focus on the bills.
Order submitted.
Don't focus on what other people doing. Just give yourself a chance
Order submitted.
to just go after your goal. You know what I'm saying? If you have questions, always come in and hang out. Get it, get your answers. And then work hard.
Order submitted.
I know what you hear. As soon as I said work hard, somebody say, what you think I've been doing?
Order submitted.
What you think I've been doing, Jay? Jay, what you think I've been doing, Jay?
Order submitted.
I hear that. I hear that. I really do.
Order submitted.
I hear it. Let me tell you,
Order submitted.
you might be a good fighter, but you can't wrestle. You might be a good wrestler, but you're not good in a clinch. You might be good in a clinch, but you lack cardio so that when you stand back up, you don't deliver the same punching power. What am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that your game has to be a whole game when you trade. It has to be the whole thing. Like you might be good at one thing, and then you got to work on what you're not good at. You got to keep, little things, little stuff. Not becoming negative just because it don't work out today, or not letting go of your hope. You thought I was gonna say trying to find reversals or something like, nah, I ain't even talking about none of that stuff. I'm talking about like stuff you really got to work on in your life,
Order filled.
letting bad friends go.
Order filled.
Staying positive. Stuff that's really hard to do, especially when like in my case, especially when you're living out of a car. You know what I'm saying? And you haven't had a shower all day. It could get weird,
Huh.
But I ain't gonna lie. My wife told me, I thought my house was 6,000 feet. I just found out it was 8,000. She was like, no, babe, it's 8,000. I was like, I ain't know. I used to live in a car, a Nissan Altima. Trading to do some crazy things if you just don't give up on it.
Real,
I
dude.
can't give up, man.
Nah,
These
don't do
are
that.
my wives, man. I can't give up.
Don't do it. Don't
I'm
do
over
it.
here taking my daughter to orientation for this fancy, expensive college. So I cannot quit, brother.
Nah.
I cannot quit.
Hey, what
Got
college
my
y'all
son
at,
going
dog?
to another college in another state for biomedical engineering. They're gonna need this money.
Hey, we can't quit.
And I thank you for not only providing knowledge and giving structure, but I thank you for inspiring.
Love,
That's all I'm gonna say, because that's enough, bro.
love,
Love, bro.
love. And your baby gonna do amazing out there. You know what I'm saying? She gonna go change their minds how to even think about the world out there. You know, she gonna go out there and do her thing. I already know.
Thank you.
Already
God
know.
willing. Thank you, man.
Yeah, man. I think we're good, but I'm looking at 76.60 and slightly above the start, decelerating the situation for us here on ES. Okay. Any questions about the ES before we keep rolling?
Jay, you were placing your trades on the 60-minute. I thought that we can place them on the 60-minute, but the suggestion would be to trade on the 5-minute. We look at the 60 and place our trades
Yeah,
on
I'm
the
looking at it. To me, in the trade room, that's definitely the time frame that I spend the most time looking at. But I do that because the time frame you trade on is really the window or the time horizon in which you want to be correct. Our trade room is about 2.5 hours. So if I were to try and trade daily candles in a 2.5 hour window, we would end up with a trade room where we don't know the outcome of our decisions. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
the time horizon on a decision is going to take all day. So in this room, I heavily look at the 60-minute chart because we'll get, a 4 hour close in an hour. We'll get 2 hourly close candles, and we'll get a whole lot of 5 minute and 1 minute stuff to look at, you know?
Okay.
So I'm looking at all time frames. I base a lot of my directional stuff on the hour because of the time that we're here. And I think executing on a 5 minute chart, 1 minute chart, 15, if that's your thing, that's fine.
Makes sense. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh. Yeah, yeah, do better on your level. Right? All right. Let's go to gold. These people at 26? Dang! These folks at 26, are they okay? Would y'all chill? That's crazy. That's crazy. I don't know what they're doing up there. We gotta figure that out. Now I'm on gold. Gold is GC. Right there at the top, you can see gold. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, you do better. I still got love. 4395.7 on the dailies. 4270.7. Still got love for that. This is not good for the buyers, them sweeping down yesterday, grabbing everything, pushing up. And then right now the sellers are right back wanting some more downside. That's crazy. I think something else you probably keep your eye on. Get out a magnifying glass, 4192. Watch that guy down there. You really want to see this daily candle come back through, man. You really want buyers, you're gonna really want a color change. I'll also watch the daily open. 4 hour chart of gold. Every good girl needs a savage. That's very true. I think that's true. Ladies, y'all want a dude that's like, you know, he pretty much about his business. He'll get savage about it. He'll do what he got to do.
Absolutely.
Yes. Yep.
I don't know, fellas. Don't lose the animal nature. You know, just control it. You know, but don't lose it. I've never seen that before. That might be nice. I need to study that. That could be fun, Jay. That could be fun. I need to study that. Be for real. Okay, on the 4-hour chart, I think I'm watching 43.20. I'll watch 42.73-ish. J-Rob's out there. Of course, like 42.25, and then down at the bottom is 41.97. Yeah. Let's go to the 60s. Jesus, look at that candle. 53 minutes, it opens up, goes to the upside, and gets beat down right back where it started. That's nuts. That's not a good sign. You know what I'm saying? For the buyers, that's really not a good sign, man. We're 53 minutes into the hour, and that's the best that they got. They go up here, get whooped, and come right back home. But 7:15. So they hung out off the top of the hour, shoot up, shoot right back, and we hanging out again. Jeez. Sellers looking good out here. Sellers looking good out here. Sellers looking amazing out here. It's crazy. Be for real. You the type me. They. Yeah. Yeah. It's weird, you know, what I think I'm finding my eyes to pay attention to. It's kind of like I'm looking at this cluster of activity down here and the market's inability to kind of get into it. But what seems to be their desire to, you know what I'm saying? That's kind of what I'm looking at, comparing, seeing where things are. If I were to buy and sell on this chart, I think it'd go like this.
Order submitted. Order filled.
J Rob, you in here?
Yeah, Jay, what's going on?
Man, I'm good, bro. I thought about you. You know, I was at the gym, right? We got this guy at the gym,
Order submitted.
and this guy is super weird. Like instead of walking from machine to machine, he'll like literally do like front hand rolls. Like he'll be like rolling. He's like
Order submitted.
he'll get the wrestling dummy and be like doing wrestling moves with the wrestling dummy in the boxing area. I was like, man, what's up with this dude?
Order submitted.
So I'm chilling
Why did that
today.
think? Why did you think of me when you during that
Because I
time?
know you're like a gym dude, like you know gym decorum. You know, hey, don't do that at the gym. You know that sort of stuff. I don't know.
That boy said, "Why you think of me? I ain't doing no hand roll, boy."
No, not because of anything. Because you know what I'm saying. You know what to do. Like I got some real, you know what I'm saying, like Trav. These are real gym guys, like guys that go to the gym for real, train people. You know what I'm saying? I was like, yo, I don't think this is proper etiquette at
That
the
was
gym.
bad gym etiquette.
Order submitted.
I don't think that's right. Are you supposed to be able to do stuff like this at the gym, brother?
Depends on your gym.
Order submitted.
Bro, he made it to TikTok. This lady was like, if you know, you know. And everybody from my city is like, oh my God, that guy, he's so weird. You know, like he's TikTok famous. I don't know if he knows me. He's totally
I don't
famous.
come from that era. You know what I'm saying? We don't play with cameras. We get in there, we get it on.
Yeah. This guy, he's not from that era. He's definitely playing around.
Order submitted.
It's good to hear your voice, bro.
Good to see you, bro.
In that bag. Seller's looking good. I don't know. I'll watch it on the 5, but sellers looking amazing. They looking really good. Like if you look at what the buyers did all night and then look at the seller response, whether you're looking from a macro or micro point of view, sellers are looking really good. I can't even front. If they go into lower prices, in my opinion, lower than 42.51, I think they're gonna meet some opposition. There should be plenty of volume there for them to face off with. So I wouldn't be surprised if we have a little bit of back and forth, say between the prices 42.53 and 42.92. To me, that's what it feels like. Feels like you can almost expect some consolidation between the 53s and 92s. If they kind of get a little lower, that's fine. I think I'm looking maybe as low as 41, 42. Any questions on gold? New people, when I'm calling out these numbers, they're typically over here. Like I'll say the 42.60s. See that? 42.60. So like this line, the sellers can't get below the 42.60s. And I think that we'll be looking for some back and forth between maybe 53 bing, and 92. Bing. So back and forth between these two. Make sense? New people, that make sense?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Good. Good. You're home now, so if something doesn't make sense, you can always say, Jay, that don't make no sense. It doesn't make any sense, my brother. Could you say it again? Still on my way. We can play that again. You can play that again, young man. Still on my way. Look at Tina in the set. And I'm still on my way. But the top don't look too far from me. But yeah, the 5s look kind of steady. It looks really like Elliott Wave-ish. You know what I'm saying? It's very, hello, I am a taco. You know what I'm saying? Very like,
Yeah.
so everybody's probably looking to see if we can get back over here. Right? We'll see. Let's go to the NASDAQ. Any NASDAQ traders in here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Bonds.
Yes,
You got the
sir.
memo to come back down? Good job, Bonds. Okay. It's a different series, Angel. See you, Bonds. See you, dog. Come down to 19. Let's have a talk. After we talk a little bit, we'll see what's up. Come on down, baby. Let's talk a little bit. What about you, ES? You still caught underneath that? Yeah, still caught underneath it for the hourly. Stuck underneath the old yellow line. So they might try and go back and grab 52. Let me hear what happens when they have 52. Talk to me. Talk to me, baby. 52.75.
Submitted.
Let me hear that. Just in case, let me hit some 44s too.
Order submitted.
That's pretty side. Ooh. What about you, Gold? You still feeling good? I gotta choose a direction. If I had to choose which way this thing is gonna go, what are you gonna say, Jay? What are you gonna say? I'm so nervous. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know which way is right. I'm so nervous. Technically, down's the way. Seller control. I think it's maybe down another few points in there. I'm going this way.
Order filled. Order filled.
Round number 101. Ups and downs, but I never run.
Order submitted.
But there's more to come. If you get a million, you can count on me. They don't see, yeah, yeah.
Order canceled.
Yeah. TJ, I see you, baby. TJ, I'm so excited. We need another meeting. TJ, we need one more. Got some things I need to run by you. Respectfully, you be checking me. All right, y'all ready for the NASDAQ?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's do it. I think let's go this way. Yeah, yeah. 30,132. Last. Bad in my way. I would be cozy in the Maybach with you. Uh-huh. But you know what's up with me. And luckily you stuck with me. 306.99. Every now and again, you got to go to somebody in your life and say, ain't you glad you chose me? Man, you could be with that other person. That was crazy.
Bell.
You almost went crazy. What's going on? That's my favorite line. Me and my wife, we look at each other when that line come on. And luckily you stuck with me. You know, that's always a good line. That's my daily stuff. Y'all so serious. Y'all don't think about stuff like that. Married people, y'all don't think about that? Like, ooh,
I do.
my husband almost chose Keisha. That would have been crazy. You know what my wife does? My wife says, like to my children, she'd be like, look, I chose y'all a good daddy, didn't I? I chose you a good daddy. It'll be when I do the weirdest stuff too. It'll be like, look at him. He out there cleaning off the sidewalk. That's a good daddy. You know what I'm saying? It'll be the weirdest things.
Tell my son, he better be glad his daddy chose me because he would be ugly.
What you say? What you say?
I tell my son, he better be glad his daddy chose me because he would be ugly.
That's funny. You your daddy's son.
Oh, oh, that's crazy work. Yeah, yeah. I think my wife, she does that sort of thing a little bit to the kids, yeah. Baby, I gave you all the good stuff, you know, it's because of your daddy, your forehead look like that. Don't worry about it though. We gonna give you some bangs or something. She'll do stuff like that with him. It's funny. I think the longer you get going with each other, y'all been together for a long time, those layers kind of peel back and you start realizing how funny and like it's kind of cool, you know, you get like a front row seat to somebody's life. I mean, you see everything. You don't miss a minute. This upside looks good on the NASDAQ. When I'm looking at it, it feels as though if we can just kind of start working above 518 or 550, we can make some moves here. I'm thinking, you know, we can go to 650, 660. That's what it feels like, you know? And yeah, I think that to me, that feels really, really good. I like that. I like that. Let's go to the 60s. And it's a self-made story. I know ES. What did you want? You wanted, oh, you went and got it. The 53s. I think they might go a little bit lower. I'm trying to keep looking back. I know some of you guys are probably already trading gold, trading the ES or whatever. So I'm trying to keep going back and check the choices that we've made, see how they go. This is a 60-minute chart of the NASDAQ. Excuse me. Talk to me nicely.
Well, shoot.
Whoa. Henry, I'm glad that you said you was gonna get serious about the trade. Glad about that.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
Just gotta fight. That's it.
Yeah.
And the fight is this. The toughest fight you'll ever have.
Yeah, that's so true. So true.
Either way you look at that fight, somebody's gonna lose.
Mm,
There's no way that both of you all make it out of the room.
Hmm.
Somebody gotta stay in that room and somebody leaves alive. It's one of the toughest fights you ever fight.
that's real.
Real talk.
Order submitted.
Toughest people, man. You know, toughest people to teach
Order submitted.
from a control standpoint.
Order submitted.
Grown folks.
Order submitted.
And the more independent, the more difficult.
Order submitted.
So, like, no kids, no spouse,
Order submitted.
successful.
Order submitted.
Yes, sir.
Who is so tough because, you know, sometimes when we do so well in life, we haven't been uncomfortable in 10 years. We haven't told ourselves no in 7 years.
Order
We
submitted.
haven't told ourselves to stop in 7 or 8
Order
years. You
submitted.
know, whatever we want to do, we do.
That's real.
Order submitted.
Jesus, it's so hard to tell yourself stop.
Order submitted.
And trading is a series of waits.
Order
Like just
submitted.
wait, chill, relax, chill, relax. That's trading. Not right now, not right now. Wait a second, wait. Don't do
Order
that.
submitted.
You know what I'm saying? Don't do that. Stop doing that. You did that yesterday. Don't do it again. That's trading, man.
Order
It's
submitted.
so difficult to bring yourself back under subjection.
That's real.
Order submitted.
Anybody been watching the World Cup? I haven't watched one match yet.
Me neither.
I ain't seen not one. That's the NASDAQ stuff. If I had to choose, no lie, if I had to choose, I'm going like this.
Order failed.
Hey, little baby. Whose
Order
little baby is
submitted.
that? You sound good.
Damn, bro, I hate to do it to you.
Order failed.
What you selling?
Mm-hmm.
That's the place to sell. Like we at the place to sell from. I'm trying to make my decision the best decision this morning. When I choose direction, I try and choose which way will we be going this morning. I think down's not a bad move. But if I had to bet,
From 500.
I want him to go beat 537. Let's at least go challenge him and see how it goes. I think the opening move is going to say a lot about what we want to do. I think the things that are feeding my information is the bonds being overbought and having to go down means that the indexes have a greater likelihood of rising. So I want the bonds to sell off. I want the ES to rise. I want the NASDAQ to rise. I think, like, if you look at the way that they've fallen in a sweeping way, so to speak. You know what I'm saying? Like, so the buyers have swept the sellers a lot. So I think we touched 537 and 581 and they underperform. And you know what I'm saying? Maybe we can slip up under there and kind of 81, before you know it, you at 30600 and you kind of making some moves.
Yep.
I'm hoping.
Order submitted.
Okay. At the end of the day. Any questions about any of this stuff? Man, I'm right on time. I'm 3 minutes before I'm supposed to take a break.
Jay.
Hey, is that said? Who baby is that? That's said, little baby?
It's B.
Who? Oh, that's you. Oh, what's up, B?
The girls want to say hey.
Hey,
Hey,
ladies,
girls.
Hi.
y'all okay?
They're so adorable.
Hi. When are we gonna have some more charcuterie?
What? She looked for
Hey, what's up? What's going on, Killer? You good?
you see the hornets on it?
I see the Hornets on it. Let's go. Let's go, high schooler. Let's go there now, high schooler.
Hey B, you got twins, bro?
No,
They
this
look
is
like it.
2 years old, 8 months old, and then 13.
Wow, bro, they look like that's crazy.
I know.
Beautiful, bro.
They
Thank you.
all
All girls.
like freaking frack. They all like.
Fell.
All of them like freaking frack. The three of them, they'll be together, holding on to each other. All that. It's crazy.
Man, I'm about to be like you soon, brother. I can't wait.
That look like Z. What up, Z?
There's Jelly coming helping out with them this morning.
Oh, what's up? What's up? Chilling, fam.
Z already out to work, so we.
Oh, she already gone?
Yep.
That's love. I used to see her, I'll be on my morning target missions, and I see her on her target missions. You know what I'm saying? Target is like Disney World for grown people. Anybody use Target like Disney World, or am I the only one? No, I
Yeah,
do.
Target is what?
Target is like, you stop in there, you get a little latte.
I love Target.
That's it, you get a little latte, you vibe out. It is what it is.
I love Target, but I haven't done Target in a long time.
What about are you all like Walmart people? Are you Walmart people or Target people?
We have both, but
That's a very serious thing. I think there are Walmart people and Target people. I think that there are Dunkin' Donuts people and Starbucks people.
I'm
I
a
think
I
Dunkin'
get
girl.
I
We
think
don't
that
get
there are iPhone
arrested every
people.
time I go to Walmart.
Oh
we don't
Lord.
got Walmart in New York City, so we done with Target.
And I think that there are iPhone people and there are Android people, and they are not like, it's a very serious thing.
They're
It's a
not.
very serious thing. It's very serious. I'm whichever one is on the way home. I don't even care.
Yeah, I think our house is split up. I like Walmart. My wife go to Target.
Oh, you're a Walmart person.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I do not like to go. I like to order everything. I
Oh,
can't.
you do the Instacart vibes.
Yeah, I feel like supermarket sweepstakes every time I go to the store because I feel like I'm trying to hurry up and get the hell out.
I get lost all the time, no lie. I get lost in every store. I'm like, excuse me, sir, where's checkout? It's terrible, bro. Terrible.
I go to Walmart in any city I go to, like anywhere I travel, I go to the Walmart because I want to see the real people of that city. I don't
Yeah,
think,
that's real.
yeah,
I
I
like
like to
that.
go just to see.
Some cities you go to, they so small, it's no Walmart, so you got to hit the Dollar General and post up in the front with a juice.
Mm.
That used to be, we used to have this, where my grandparents stayed, it was a real small city. It was like a small city outside of a small city outside of a small city, right? So there was this store called an S&S store, and that's where everybody went. You go to the S&S. You know what I'm saying? The energy was like that. So when I go to cities, Lisa, to speak to your point, I try and find Martin Luther King Boulevard, like wherever that's at.
You would.
Wherever that's at, I go to MLK Boulevard. Then okay.
That's
Cool.
crazy.
Time is 8:16. We've looked at the market. We have some beliefs. Let's just go over them one more time. Make sure we're feeling good. I think it's more upside than downside in the indexes. So I'm long both of those. I felt like gold had reached the bottom of the range that it would fight, so I'm long that. And I think the bonds, they played with me a little bit to the upside, but my goal was hey, let me see when you get back to these 19s. As you can see, they're at 113.19 now. I have faith that they'll go a little bit further. We've really only had one call, maybe two. So we still got a little ways to go, a lot more calls to make, stuff like that. I see sellers at 537 on the NASDAQ. I think is the next set of good sellers on the oh no, I think you could possibly be long now, or I think 77 or 71 is long on gold. And we should run into some traffic here very quickly on the ES. I think 67-ish should be a good place. The two of y'all that traded bonds, I know it's only two of y'all. Two of y'all that traded bonds. I'm looking forward to some beautiful downside. I like to see this thing go to 113.04. Probably not while we're together, but eventually. We got our 537 target on the NASDAQ. I'm looking for some sellers there. Ooh, ooh. 67, I want to see it come out.
Order submitted.
And I think other than that, we good. All right. I'd like to give a big shout out to Nia Wilhite in the set. Good to see you, Nia. Fantastic mentor and leader in this community. And actually a very just good person. Believe it. Very good person. Well, I need to turn this treadmill on if I'm gonna use it. These 15 minutes before the market opens, I typically do not take a trade. But I am very, very open to any questions that you might have. And I'll share a few announcements with you. Does that sound fair?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. First announcement. Anybody heard about what we're doing in New York next month? Anybody heard about this?
Yeah.
Market Mastery Weekend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want everybody feast your eyes on the beautiful things that we got going on. We got the Market Mastery Tour. You can visit Market Mastery Weekend and grab tickets if you want to.
Order canceled.
Oh, this is everyone. I need to make this waiting room participants meeting group chat. There we go. Boom. So you can come and hang out with us there. This July 10th is our next one. And I know if you're like, man, I can't make it, we'll be in your city very soon. Very soon we'll be in your city, you know. We'll be there very soon. So of course we'll have live trading and workshops, a lot of networking, people hanging out with one another. I'll be giving away some courses, goodies, shirts and cups and all the rest. We're gonna be doing some social action when we're in the city, going to teach kids and go to places where people don't really get the kind of love that we always experience. One moment. Hello?
Do you ever come into California? Oh,
I'm doing great. Oh, you need to get in?
See Los Angeles on the list of cities.
oh, okay.
So we got a few cities we're going to. New York and Charlotte and Houston and Vegas, Chicago and Miami, Los Angeles and Orlando and Dallas and DC and Atlanta. So like soon tickets will be on sale for multiple locations because we locking down some of the venues and locations where we'll be. So keep an eye out for that because the Market Mastery Tour is going to be amazing. Amazing.
Hey, yo, Jay, where in New York you doing it?
We'll be in Chelsea at a place called the J Suites. So I guess like the city, Manhattan.
Yeah, no doubt. Chelsea, yeah, by the piers.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's where we'll be.
That's like an office building, right?
Yeah.
J Suites, yeah. It's like a business center.
Coming up soon is y'all heard about Fire Your Boss? Anybody heard about that?
Yes, sir.
Fire Your Boss is coming up. Let me see if I can grab a freaking
They don't work, Jay.
what?
I'm sorry. Talking to someone else.
Okay. Fire Your Boss workshop is an amazing workshop. I need to go grab the link for it. That'll be good. Let me go ask where the link is. Sometimes. So we got that coming up too. Fire Your Boss is next Thursday. Next Thursday evening. So we'll have a good time that Thursday. Everybody come. There's always something for somebody. I teach a very easy method to understand how you stay consistent, make money, get your exit number, know what day you're gonna pay off the credit card, pay off the car, pay off the house, or leave the job. You know what I'm saying? I was on a one-on-one yesterday with my man, and he was like, "Yeah, bro, I think I got like 2 more weeks, then I'm done." I was like, "You got what? 2 more weeks? Your birthday, your age start with a 5. How you got 2 more weeks?" We went through it, man. He's ready to retire. So it's exciting, man, when you start seeing what's possible for the future of your life. So Fire Your Bosses next week. I'm sure you'll get emails, SMS, ads about it. What else we got going on? Oh yeah, get ready for the release of the next book. There it is. Thank you, Alicia. Fire Your Boss Live. Look at that. Check it out. I can share it right now. Look at that. She's amazing. So like, it's really straight ahead. You get a lot of cool tools, learn a lot about the market. We go over some trading, but we really go over the consistency and planning stages of trading so that we make money and we get to our goals in this situation. So I think you'll enjoy it. It's firebosslive.com. Perfect. What else we got? I think that's it. I really think that's it. Any questions? The bell should ring in a minute. Anybody got long off of 71 on gold? I know I called it. I said 77s and 71s are going to be buying. Anybody bought the 71s?
I did, Jay.
Huh? Did anybody hear me say buy 71? Anybody heard that?
Yes, I did. I did.
Praise the Lord. If you bought 71, you up $600 right now per contract. $600 a day is $2,400 a week, $9,600 a month, making $100,000 a year. And you could do it in 5 minutes. Okay, questions about anything before we the market starts the whole like bell ringing thing and it starts going crazy?
Order filled.
Okay, the ES reached the upside there. That's pretty good. We're going up to now the 305.84s.
Order filled.
Okay, we just touched the 305.84s. So that was pretty cool. Little pre-market stuff. If you bought those 71s,
Order canceled.
you might be on your way to 92 on gold. Whoa, if you knew you'd do better. How many people like when you trade, you feel stressed, like your heart goes faster, or you
Order
get
submitted.
nervous or anxious? Where you at, those people? Anybody that happens to you?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes.
All the time.
Hmm. Can I issue you a challenge? Anybody? Can I
Yes,
issue you a
sir.
challenge? This is it's a weird challenge. Please, humbly. But if you do it, it'll change your life. In your mind, where the nervous people at again? Put your hand up and say yes. Say me. I get
Me.
anxious, nervous when I'm trading.
Me.
Me.
Okay. You might think it's because of the charts or because of the unknown or any of those things. That is the fruit of the problem. That's not the root of the problem. Listen to me. I'm going to show you the root of the problem. This is the reason why you really get nervous and you really get anxious and your hands might shake and your heart might beat faster. You ready?
Yes.
You're scared of losing money. We call it so many different things. I have fear. I get anxious. I get nervous. The truth is, you're scared of losing money. So how can we stop being so afraid of losing money? This is what I want you to do. Weird challenge, but do it. It'll help your trading career. Go to your bank today. Go to the ATM in the drive-through. Take out a light bill's worth of money. A light bill's worth. What up, my man Robert Horn on here? What up, Rob? Take out a light bill's worth of money. Ask for it in fives. You know how you could select which bills you want, 20s, 50s, 100s, fives? Take it out in fives. And then I want you to drive around your neighborhood and your city, and anybody that's holding a sign saying, help, I want you to start giving it away, 5, 10 bucks at a time. Why do you want us to give away money when we scared of losing money? You scared money gonna run. I'm telling you, you so big that you're gonna be the person pushing it away. Teach yourself how to give it. You ain't worried about it running away from you. You're gonna send it out to be a help to other people. You command the direction of it. You tell it when to go and you tell it when to come. It is not something that is trying to leave you and you're fighting to keep it. No, it is something that can't stay away from you and you have to try and hurry up and give it away. After you give away the money that month, I want you to notice something about your month. See if the quality of life you experience changes at all. Because I don't think it will. At least it didn't for me. The next month, when you're feeling real good, get a car payment's worth. The month after that, whatever 4 tires cost. The month after that, a mortgage payment. You'll start realizing, I can't give it away fast enough. I make so much of it. And what'll happen, the cool thing that'll happen is the grip that money has on you to make you nervous that there'll never be enough, that grip will loosen. Because you'll realize in your life, there's always more than enough. Does that make sense? You're saying, no, Jay, it does not make sense to give away money. I need this money. I have children. Trust me. Start, even if it's starting small. A t-shirt worth of money. I was going to go get some stuff from Target. Whatever I spend at Target today, I'm going to get that much out of the account and I'm going to give it away. Start small. But in order to loosen the grip of money off of your life, you got to start commanding it to leave rather than hoping for it to stay. Does that make sense?
Yes, sir.
Makes sense. Yes, sir.
Let's go trade a little bit. If you bought those 71s, I told you you might be on your way to 92. I think you're about to catch that 92 right now. Just 71 to 92 by itself is $2,100. Don't be afraid to take it at 90. It might not make it all the way to where you want to go. Hey, Bonds, what are you doing? Why you do that? Where you going? There's a 90s. Close enough is good enough. You got in 71s. I told you you might be headed up to 92. You made it to 90. That's 19 points, aka $1,900. Taking the 540s long is cool on the NASDAQ. Taking them, that's cool. If you want to play that, that's a cool thing to play. I'm not mad at that play. But just cover it quickly. I have a feeling that things are going to come back. That's our 92 look. I'm going to turn and let me see this. Good job, gold traders. If you traded gold, good job.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I'm going to do that just so I can keep my eyes on it. I'll do that. And I want to hear that. And I want to hear this.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Hey, ES, come talk to me, man. Come and talk to me, my baby. I really wanna meet you. Can I talk to you?
Order
I
filled.
really wanna know you. You. This is a little bit of foolishness at 54. Don't worry about it. If you're selling from up here, I really don't want you to sell from up here. It's better to probably buy some 68s on the ES or something like that. Let's take a look at the bigger picture. Yeah, I'm not mad about a sell. I'm not upset about it. I don't think it's terrible. Just don't hold it too long. You know, if you're selling, you sold from up here. I know a lot of people like it'll go up, so you'll sell it type of thing. And be very careful. Did anybody take the 540s long on NASDAQ? Anybody? Just cover it, you know. Just give it a good cover if you have to. Just pick up the pace. When they make it to 92, the 92 should sell it back down. So it's not rocket science. I'm just selling the 92s on gold. We're getting to a place now where the ES should speak up as far as buyers go. So, you know, the 75, 64, these people should buy. They really should. You want to see their response. They're fighting against a pretty good enemy from above, you know, good sellers. So you can't count those sellers out. They're pretty good. But if the buyers have a little bit of zhuzh, it should be right in this area. Maybe slightly lower. Maybe it's a 60. Maybe it's a 60. Told you to cover that 540 really quick. Did you guys cover that and get out of there? Whoo! They sitting on the 60s real heavy like. That's crazy. Sitting on them real crazy. That's not good. Really a very strong candle for the open, in my opinion. You'll be want to sell things like 553, 540 on
Order
the
canceled.
NASDAQ. You'll be wanting to sell things like 75, 74, 75, 69 on the ES. Very strong open for the sellers. Extremely strong. Gold people, your first target is in. First target is 42.88 off of that short on 92. If you want to just take a little something for the commissions, that's what you take. You get out of there. I don't know if the upside is done. I'll be very honest on gold. I'm not sure if the upside is done. First target 88. Second target on gold is 84. Third target is back at maybe 82 or so. Come on, thing. Don't just go down from here. Go up and go let the people sell that need to sell. This is terrible.
Order filled.
Okay, we had a pre-market order there at 436. Let's go check it out. I know it was a 60-minute reason for it, and it seems to be performing pretty good to start off with, but I know that it's a counter move, so it's kind of against the grain, and I put it there for a marker for myself. I didn't put it there because I loved it. Okay, so if you took that position, I want you to cover it pretty quickly. Let's just see how it performs. You want to see it at least get you some 65s if it can, that sort of thing. You want to see it get there. On the indexes, I don't want to buy anything. Just as a note, everybody hear me. I don't necessarily want to buy anything. I'm waiting for an opportunity to sell from a good place on the indexes. I need to be able to sell from a good place.
Order canceled.
Looking for a place to sell from. A good place, a safe place. A good, healthy place to sell from is all I'm looking for.
Man, I hate when I give it up early, man.
Oh, you let the sell go early?
Yeah.
It happens.
Would have been like a 3K killer.
It's okay. It's so abundant, man. It's everywhere. It's like finding sand at the beach. I hate when I let go of a shell. Take 2 more steps.
Hmm.
It's another shell. The money's everywhere. I had a mentor. He said, Jason, billions of dollars rain down on people every day. You just got to know where to stand and you got to get out from under your umbrella to get wet. Never forget when he told me this. I was riding with him. It was my first time ever seeing a black car. Black cars that just came out. And I was riding with him. We was going to a medical facility that he owned.
Hmm.
I was like, what? Billions of dollars raining? Show me where the weather plan at. Where do I go? My real reaction was, where do I go? I'll go where the rain is,
He
please.
wasn't lying though.
He wasn't lying to me. He never lied. He
Hmm.
talked fast, but he ain't lie. It's weird that the buyers down here aren't responding as well as I wanted them to. It's almost like they're trying to snuff out some folks. I would watch it with any counter trending moves on the NASDAQ or on the ES. I wouldn't buy. I don't have that feeling. I wouldn't do it. I literally would not do it. You can always buy later, like you can buy above 460 and still make plenty of money, but you don't want to like put a 424 in or put in a 75.43 and this thing might go down to 30 before it wakes up. You kind of want to give it a moment, breathe. One time I was playing Pebble Beach, and the caddy that was with me, I think his name was Tom. He saw I was frustrated. I was real mad, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm playing Pebble. It's a beautiful day. I'm supposed to be having like the time of my life. But I'm frustrated because I'm not hitting the ball good. I'm sucking out here. And he says to me, he says, golf is just a game that interrupts a good walk. And trading is kind of like that. Don't force the issue, don't force the action. Trading is like an activity you do while you wait on stuff. It's just a thing that you do that interrupts while you're thinking or chilling or doing something like, oh, there's my little price now. Here we go.
Order filled.
Okay, there's 39. I do not want to call a sell down here. I can see them. I do not want to call them. Gosh, I don't want to call them. I'm hoping that the buyers wake up at 32 on the ES. Do I have something on the NASDAQ 4-hour? Come on, dog. Come on, dog. Come on, dog. Gotta move a little bit better than that. Come on, dog. Okay. This is the thing. You want to see 463 try to sell and fail at selling. That'll be your green light on reversals. 63 is trying to sell, can't, failing. All of these, all the way up to 81. You want to see them try to do it. Look at them trying right there. Try. Failing. Fail. Okay. Come on. 3 minutes, 25 seconds left to go in this candle. You want to see them try to do it and fail at it. I don't know if they'll fail this candle, but I'm hoping that they'll fail. And we could try and go get some 553s, try and get some 540s. And in my opinion, I think we go above 540. We go get some 664s. That's what I'd like to see. Hey, gold people, we made it to the second target. Second target was 42.84. If you're short with me from the 92s, We bought it up from 71, grabbed 92s, then we got short. We've gotten two of our targets so far. We got the 84s and we got the 88s.
How you feel about buying 83?
On gold,
Yes, sir.
I feel real good about it at 849. Until
Central
then,
time.
I don't really want you to play with nothing till it's down at 76, 77 area.
Gotcha. 76.
Let's go, Jay. You need some music. It's gotten quiet. You need a tempo. Boy, Blastberry Bonds. Who else? That tip. Get on your job. Tell them. Better get on your job. Tell them it's motivation. What's that song Tip got with Tip got this record with? It's on that album that he got with Man, I can't find this Tip record. I need to just go listen to Dixon then. Let's get some of that. Well, let's get this one. We'll get that one. That'll be good.
That's some variety, dog. If no Tip, then Kenyon Dixon. That's some variety, bro.
Oh, Kenyon Dixon. No, this is Dixon Dixon.
Oh,
Dixson.
okay.
But I like Kenyon too. Kenyon Cole.
Yeah.
He was on that Tank versus Tyrese versus. He was singing background for Tank.
He was singing background? Getting it.
That boy nice. I really do love Kenyon Dixon. I think I first found him during COVID.
Yeah.
Great singer.
Yeah.
It's crazy, like people are so talented and you don't even know them. That's one of the scariest things that happened to me in music. Like I realized the arts are a commodity that tastemakers use in order to leverage goodwill from the rich. And art is what the rich use in order to hide wealth. So it scared me about it felt a lot like lotto. You know what I'm saying? It felt like lottery. Like there's a person working at Juilliard right now or working at any art school, and they are amazing. Like blindingly so, like amazing. Bro, and broke.
Don't nobody know you? Don't nobody know you?
Don't nobody even know you breathing. Don't nobody even know you breathing. There it is. There's our second attempt for the buyers. So this candle is the one that I want them to really recover the 463s. That'll almost put us in time. Now the problem is the 849 look. So you're still in this quote unquote selling posture from the 81s and the 463s. They'll sell. That's what they did last time. I just think if you sell them this time, you got to cover them, because I really do believe that the buyers have an assault that they want to put up, or at least I want them to. You can do whatever you want. Nothing's going to tear us apart. Look, 463, they slipping. Nothing's gonna tear us apart. Man, y'all keep playing coy down here. Then what you gonna do? Yes, sell, yeah, whatever. Check the ES4 hour. That's probably what's going on. So, I'm so glad you're alive.
Order to fill.
Keep your head to the sky.
Order filled.
You're still alive. I don't know if I like cream, but I like every little piece. That record is good. Jesus. Okay, the 92 cells have made it back down. We thought this was like, this is kind of like another place where I consider taking a target. 75s. I think that we don't have to stop until 42.59. I told you this pre-market, we're going 59 to 92, 92 back down. Don't be surprised. I told you this an hour ago. I think the indexes are playing coy down here. You can get your neck broke if you don't trade at the price you're supposed to. Chasing is not a vibe down here. Do not chase this thing. Oh, if you leave, take every little piece of my heart with you. Minute 34. Go do your work. This when you go do your work, young man. Come on, buyers. Go do your work. Go do your work. Don't let these boys hold you down for 90 seconds. Go get it. Don't run from it neither. Oh, you get scared. Ah! If you can be, take every little piece of my heart with you. What a beautiful song. Jesus. Breathe. It's so beautiful. There you go. You got 40 seconds. Creep up on them. Come on, buyers. Don't give up here because there are better sellers above if you really want to sell. Oh, if you leave. There you go. Do your work, my boy. Hey, ES, wake up. Hey, wake up. I need you to go get to 50. I need you to get to 50. Every man has got a problem. JD, you grab those 75s and 74s? We talked about it. We both talked about it. We both agreed to it. We both said what we was going to do. Okay. Good close, NASDAQ. Now you're in a world. The world is buying 463, selling 540 and 553. I'm more inclined on the ES. It's selling 75.50.
Order filled.
And I mean, gently, you want to, if you buy, cover quick on
Order
everything.
filled.
Like you want to, it'll buy, but oh gosh, you want to cover it because you don't necessarily have a right to go up. It's just naturally they will. Okay. Naturally they should. Okay. 463s, you guys are in long. Same thing for you on the ES. We just got to get through 75.50 ES, people. That's the tough spot. And it's a tough spot. It's not a joke. Okay. If you buy, cover that thing and trail it. I'm telling you, you don't want to get this thing going the other way because if it goes the other way, it goes ugly. I'm looking at 303.22 and I'm looking at 75.30 downside. You know, you're my religion. Hey, Trill, you know that song that Can You Have that he say, sorry, Jesus. It start with, sorry, Jesus. It ain't tricking if you got it. Oh, yeah.
Sorry, Jesus. Damn, what song is that? I don't know that one.
He got this way. It's called It Ain't Tricking If You Got It. Oh, yeah. He called it paying tithes. I'm going to be paying tithes tonight. He talking about going to the strip club.
Oh, yeah.
The record start with, sorry, Jesus. It ain't tricking if you got it. Oh, yeah. It's crazy. Oh, my God. It's hilarious. Sorry, Jesus. It ain't tricking. You say, sorry, Jesus. Okay, we got the longs that we wanted from 463. Y'all should be comfortable.
Oh yeah.
What is
You
this
hear?
song?
He said,
Yeah,
sorry. Sorry,
this
Jesus.
song Expectations. Oh, okay.
Yeah, bro. Hey, go. Hey, if you got long on the gold, 81 was the first target.
Mhm.
And I think that it's more downside left in gold than upside. To me, gold is 93 and 92s down to 42.59. That's the trades. If you're on the NASDAQ, you're good. I think what's the next one? 540s. There's
Yeah.
some breaks in between, like 18 and 20. Then you get to 40, then you get to 553. So if you got the 463s, the 30463s, and you're multi-contract, I would take a contract now and I would let it kind of ride and just move my stop because I think the upside potential is amazing, especially when I look at the ES. The ES has got to go to, in my opinion, I want it to at least go to 75.59 at least. And I really would like 64s or 74s. What that means is that NASDAQ will probably go to 30664 congruently. You see what I'm saying? Does this make sense, everybody? Yes, no, maybe so.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did anybody get in these trades or are we just I'm just on a treadmill talking to nobody?
I'm in.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. My life means something. My life means something. I help somebody out.
That's that, but I was in.
What'd you say?
Order
I
submitted.
got stopped out, but I was in the trade.
Yeah,
That's
me
all
too.
good. Yeah,
Yeah.
you got to ride in the fader. This one is a dangerous one. It's a dangerous one. You see that 540? See the aggressive the 540 is pushing back? Ooh, I'm talking about it's
Order
dangerous.
filled.
That long, you got to put that in and you got to cover it. You got to ride it. Now I think, they got the 540s, bro. That might be it. Them boys might body slam to the downside on the indexes. No lie, my boy. No lie. No lie. 463 is the last thing holding them back. There's no viscosity underneath that. You go 63 to 400. That probably will move the 50s down to 35s, 50s to 36s or something like that on the ES.
Order submitted.
Yeah, body slam them. Take them down. Ooh, sell it. Hey, don't stop lying.
I'm
You gonna get them?
83.
I'm gonna see. I want to see the indexes, what they about to do.
Filled.
This matters to me. All of this matters to me now. This candle is going to be a very dangerous and tricky candle. It'll probably be the trickiest one of the day. I'm expecting it to sell on both the indexes, NASDAQ and ES. Okay? It could be tricky though. It could play with your mind a little bit.
Stop filled.
Got it.
That's all we need, baby. All we need is money. We can
Yeah.
help a lot of people. We can start our nonprofits. We could pay off these debt collectors. You know what I'm saying? We could pay this mortgage off. That's all we need is money. And money ain't hard to get. Sell
Daily
sugar,
daily
sell sugar,
target
sell
cut.
salt. Daily target hit, easy money.
Now I gotta go again.
Switch accounts. Go find another 10 you could play with. Go play with those. I've called a few trades today. I called the 42 on gold. I called 42.59 to 92. 59 to 92 is 33 points. 33 points is $3,300. Then at 92, I told you to sell it back down. So far, if you stop it right now, 93 to 73, that's another 20 points. So I got 53 points out of gold. That's $5,300 in gold alone. Then on the NASDAQ and the ES, we bought them both pre-market. And I just told you to buy 463 up to 540 and then sell 540.
Mhm.
63s, 463 to 540 is 80 points, and then back down is another 80. That's 160. 160 is something like $3,000. ES, same business. All I want to do is help you. This is a real situation. Let me talk to you seriously. Y'all are in here, y'all know me. All I want to do is help you. I just want you to be good, make money. There's no hate, there's no animosity, no nothing. All I want to do is help. I'm really good at this, and I'm really good at helping people learn how to do this. People come hang around me and then they go make 50, 80, $90,000 in a month, 50, 80, $90,000 in a week. Hang out. Hang out. Get a mentorship. Get a course. Get in this room. Am I lying or am I telling the truth? That's all I want to do. Anybody who know me, we've been in
The
one-on-one.
truth. The truth. He ain't lying.
Do yourself a favor, man. People
Straight
hang
up.
around me, they end up making thousands of dollars a day.
Straight up.
And
Order
it's not
submitted.
because it's some amazing thing I'm doing. I think God is just
Order
good.
submitted.
You got something you could teach me. I got something I could show you. That's it. That's it. Okay?
Order filled.
Is anybody in the red right now? Ooh, my left calf muscle feel like, whoa now. But I am happy to report I'm down to 193.
Congratulations.
Nice. Consistent.
That's like 20 pounds.
I started
Way to
off the
go.
year. I started off the year at 224. Me and Angelica, we was out at we take our annual retreat, top of the year. Started out over there, 224. It was a good fighting. It was a good move in 224 though. I was agile. You know what I'm saying? I still had some agility, JD. You know, it wasn't just a lazy 224. I could get it moving. It was just a lot. So,
Now I'm gonna have to look into vitamins because I'm 36, but I ain't working the same. I'm moving the same.
Doug, I went to the TikTok shop and I got one of those walking pads. My boy Henry had one on his TikTok. So he do the fashion with. I said, I'm gonna get one of them walking pads. It was $118. Then I went to Amazon and I got a desk. And the desk is like 40 bucks. So I'm in the game for like 150. I said, well, what's my most stagnant part of my day? And what's the part of the day that can really get it going? They say when you wake up on an empty stomach, put some mid-tempo cardio in your situation. My boy Trill Will taught me that. So then I saw Nicole from New York. She was on the treadmill. She said, get the treadmill, Jay, get the treadmill. So JD, I went and got the treadmill. Okay. Now I'm chopping on the treadmill. Top of June, I was 199. I'm probably not eating as many calories as I should. Now that's one thing. I'm probably not eating. I think I'm working more than I'm eating. But they're like giving, like my family will make me drink them chocolate protein shakes and stuff like that. They'll make me drink that sort of stuff to make sure I don't like.
It's the flexibility that seems to be going away also.
Oh yeah, my daughter's a ballet dancer, so every night I ask her to put me through some stretches
Oh, yeah.
Yoga.
to
Yoga's
return
good.
my flexibility. So I stretch, and then I got a little nephew. His name Jalen. Well, he not little. He a grown man. But one time we was talking over Thanksgiving, and he was stretching every night before bed. So I'm like, nephew, what's up with that? He like, yeah, I stretch every night before bed. You know, trying to make sure I stay flexible. And so I'm like, okay, well, let me start stretching at night, staying limber. Another thing, JD, once a month, go get a massage. Once a month, every man in here, all the men, once a month, go get a massage. Believe me, Believe me, you got ligaments that ain't seen a drop of blood in 5 years. Just get some massage work done. Keep that youthfulness.
They hit your 59s on gold.
Well, dog, I ain't lying. I'm just over here grooving. That's all I'm doing. Anybody in the red?
Nah, man. Nah, man.
I
In the
mean,
red, please don't be nervous. Don't be like,
I reached my loss for the day.
you reach your loss limit. I'm gonna tell you what happened to you. It sold off, and when the 2 candles after the open, you was buying and selling late. It'll go down, then you'll sell it. It'll come up, stop you out, then go down.
I
Then
got
you'll sell it some more. It'll go right back up and stop you out. Is that what happened?
I got the 63s late. Those 63s on the NQ.
The 63 long?
Yeah.
You took them the next candle after that?
Yeah.
Ooh, painful.
Yeah. And then my computer delayed on me. So
Ooh, yeah. Don't worry about it. It's all good, champ. Every day is another day. Every day is another day. Every day is another day. Man, and I'm telling you, if you leave, take every little piece of my heart with you. Oh, if you leave, you take every little piece of my heart with you. I guess y'all don't have ain't nothing else to trade about. Well, shoot, I'll go downstairs and get some water. Y'all come with me then. There's nothing else to talk about on the charts. Nobody in the red. You sure? Everybody's good? I need to get some water, so I'm gonna go downstairs real fast. Is that okay?
Jay, while you do that, can I hop in real quick and take over for 2 seconds?
Oh, you definitely can. Oh, now I don't even have to do this. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna sit and watch and listen. I heard everybody's like, man, Janelle be killing it, man. She do it better than everybody. So I'm gonna take my notes right now. Hold on. I'm gonna transfer.
Yeah, not for nothing. This is amazing. I love doing this.
The
So
floor is all yours, all yours.
I love it. Since nobody's in the red, anybody, if you made at least $1, go ahead and put 1 in that chat right now. Go ahead and celebrate that dollar that you made today. I'm talking about the open trade room right here on Thursdays. Has got to be the most fire thing that nobody else is doing. We're in here, we're making money. Jay's giving you all of the tips, the tools, and the tricks on how you can make money in the market. And if you think this is cool, well, guess what? Because we are coming to your city. That's right. We are coming. We're doing a 10-city tour where Jay is literally going to open the curtains and reveal everything. You ever wanted to know what it's like to have a mentorship with Jason Sweeting? This is the opportunity for you to have a sneak peek and so much more. I'm going to go ahead and drop this link right now into the chat because the Market Mastery Tour has officially begun and tickets are open now, July 10th. For all my people who are in New York City, I'm talking about Connecticut, Long Island, New Jersey, Philly. If you're in the area, Delaware, come on and drive up and come to see us because we are taking over New York City. I'm telling you, it's going to be bananas because we're going to open up the morning for open trade room. So this is the tour where you buy a ticket and you actually can leave with more money than what you came in. I'm talking about it's going to be crazy. We got general admission and we got VIP ready for you. But New York City, I want to see you in the building. Those tickets are available right now. You want to know what's going on for this tour? No problem. I'll tell you what you get for your tickets. For that general admission, you're going to get access to Jay. You're going to have the open trade room. You're going to meet mentors. You're going to meet each other. We're going to say, what's up, high five, and you're going to make a lot of money. General admission is cool, but VIP, oh baby, VIP is so much better. And let's talk about what you'll get with VIP. First off, of course, you're going to get admission, yes, but you get priority check-in. You get reserved VIP seating. And I'm telling you right now, you want the VIP seating. We'll talk about that at another time. But you're also going to get a copy of the Pivot Foot pivot foot book method. I'm telling you, it's going to be crazy. Also, you're going to get a trading course valued at over $1,000. You're going to get a coupon to the mentorship with Jason Sweeting. And like I said, this is just going to give you a taste of what it's like to be in the mind of Jason Sweeting. I'm telling you, it's crazy. I'm a part of the mentorship, so I know. I'm not just talking. I know. Also, you're going to get cash for the kingdom. You're going to get the consistency code. You're going to get 6K a month course. You're going to get how to make your first 1K and more, because you're going to get VIP access only to Jay. And of course, when it comes to Jason Sweeting, I'm telling you right now, even what he's giving you, he always finds a way to give more. I don't know how he does it. He's a magician. He's pulling rabbits out of hats. I don't know what's happening, but I'm sure there's going to be even more for you. So this is where it's going down. We're going to be in New York City. Now, if you're not in New York City, no problem, because we're going to a city near you. Like I said, we're hitting Charlotte, we're hitting Houston, Las Vegas, Chicago, Miami, Los Angeles, Orlando, Dallas, Washington, D.C., and ATL, shorty. Yes, we are coming to Atlanta. For the dates for that, those tickets will be available probably like next week. I'm telling you, it's going to be crazy. So you heard it right here. For all you people who's trying out the trading room, and shout out to the YouTube watchers, what's up? Make sure you get your tickets. I got to make sure I drop that link for y'all too, because we want to see you in the room. This is the place that you need to be. The team is going crazy to make sure that this event is so bigger and better than it has ever been before. So I want to see you, yes, you in the building. Go ahead and click on that link, reserve your seat. If you are a vendor, oh, wait. If you have a business, I'm talking about if you do body butters, you're a tax consultant, you're a real estate agent, you make t-shirts, whatever it is that you do, you want to come and be with us and showcase your business, we're leaving space for you to do that as well. Come on over and get your money. Now you're getting a double fill because you're making money in the market and you're building your business. We get to support you. All the money that we make, now guess what? We get to buy from you. So on the link for that, it has the opportunity to go ahead and sign up to be a sponsor, to be a vendor, to showcase your business, advertise and promote. Tell your friends, tell your sister, tell your mammy and your pappy that the Market Mastery Tour is coming, baby. And we are definitely gonna do it big time. Hit me up if you need any info. I'm happy to help. I'm Janelle Simone. I'm not a mentor. I'm just a community cheerleader. So worship. There you go.
Wow. Everybody put your hands together for Janelle. That was crazy.
Woo, I ain't never
Man,
heard you
that
do it
was
like
That's
that,
crazy.
dog.
crazy.
Hey,
Way to go,
That's
Janelle.
crazy. I'm not doing announcements no more. I'm not doing them no more. I'm not gonna do no more announcements
Order submitted.
ever. I think we got somebody for announcements now. I don't know how y'all feel about that. Y'all feel all right about that? We got somebody for announcement?
Order filled.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Everybody
that was
joining the church
awesome.
now. Everybody
Order
joining the
submitted.
church.
Sounds great.
Yeah, it's gonna be a great time. I ain't gonna lie. It's gonna be super dope. Super dope. Super dope. She says all of that, and then I say, yeah, super dope. Super dope.
Top filled.
Yeah, definitely. Shout out to Janelle.
Yeah, you might as well just do the ad libs at this point.
For real. I think I'm definitely yeah, take that guy. Take that. Yeah, we'll be in your town. Take that. It's cool. It was so good. I forgot to go get water.
I was like, he's still standing there.
For real. I was like, yo, I'm thinking to myself, is this a script? Like, is she reading? Like, this is just what she's just,
Order filled.
this is just what she's doing right now. She's amazing.
Each and every time, she's fabulous.
Bro, you gotta appreciate the appreciation. You gotta go with the vibes. It's crazy.
Order filled.
If you leave, take every little piece of my heart with you. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, if you leave, mm-hmm. With you. Every man's got a problem. I'm not expecting you to solve them. at all, at all, at all. Oh, boy.
Stop bell.
Y'all keep doing that, man. Let me live my life. Let me live my life. Let me live my life, bro.
Good morning. Sorry,
Order
Jay,
bell.
I have a question.
Okay, what's up?
I got into the trading room late, so I don't know if you mentioned something or not. How is the market going to work tomorrow with the holiday?
I need to check on the website, see what they might have in play. You can always go to the CME group, the Chicago Mercantile
CME?
Exchange website, and
Oh, perfect.
they'll tell you what the calendar is saying. They'll do that sort of thing for you.
Oh, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Submitted.
If you leave, do. Where am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Minute 35. And you do that.
Order bell.
And then you do like this. See if you can get one of them to really go for you. Oh, well, that turned on me really quickly. I think I'm about to go in the heavy, whatchamacallit mode.
Order bell.
That's the one. Okay, 46 seconds left. Time is 9:15. Need to probably check the hourlies one more time. Okay, that makes sense.
Order submitted.
Okay, that makes sense. Cool.
Stop bell.
That makes sense. Yeah, sure. 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 That makes sense. That's crazy when you end up trapped. So you'll be trapped down here. Right?
Order bell.
So that's the better move. And we just trade with the candles stay for a second. Right? But then they'll come back and sweep you because we're in a weird situation.
Stop bell.
Okay. That'll happen. Then you mm, 7-6.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
Right. Right.
Stop bell.
Of course. Because the thing you think is really the thing is the thing. Okay.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
And
Order filled.
I'm on the ones. Check the fives. Squeeze.
Stop filled.
That's fine. This is, wait on that.
Target filled.
I like that sound. Any questions about anything?
JT over there killing it.
I ain't mad at him. Not even a little bit.
Oh, my bad, my bad. Thought I had it on me.
Start saying 11. Let's go play.
Order filled.
Mm-hmm. That's right here. Give me targets.
Stop filled.
What can you want down here? I don't think you want nothing.
Order filled.
So we just want 570. 70 away from that is 30 to 6. 6 is 50 seconds. $40 seconds. It'll be this. Take it. Go and get it though.
Stop filled.
So Jay,
Yeah.
so the market really, I'm in the
Order
MN.
submitted.
So as far as I'm just like, it ain't chose direction yet, right?
To me, I think it went down and now it's about to rise.
I'm over here, man, I'm tripping, going chasing it back and forth. Dang.
You good.
Just play the edges, my boy.
Order submitted.
Play the edges. You ain't never lie. Come and get me though.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, let's play it. We gonna play. Teach your man how to squabble.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Stop filled.
Ah, it's because of that caviar. What do I have on the eels? Stop. Stop. Everything stop.
Order filled.
Okay. Now we are poised. Everyone's in a good position. Let us now rise. Like Maya Angelou do. 70. Nice and easy, Jay. 70. Hey. Relax. We're not gonna cover anything up just yet. Just want to see how they play. Sixes. Try to find you, Jay. We can't trade another one. We got to trade the one that's in front of you. 60s. Good seller here. Good seller on the 60s. Not bad, 83. I see you. So I need 5 minutes stuff above 83 in order for me to keep working. All right.
This is what I'm trying to learn.
Got a last candle.
Trade This is gonna teach y'all a way that if y'all don't want to go to college or something, you can make you $2,000-3,000 a day from home doing this. But you gotta learn. You gotta be disciplined with your money, so you can still live almost like a street nigga or a rapper or something like that. You can have nice cars.
Follow.
It's very possible. It's very possible. A lot of people don't want to hear that truth, but it's the truth.
Target filled.
Good go long. 66 is the 70. Was that one? Relax, Jason. Breathe. Relax. Breathe. Breathe. That's all you want to do. Take your time and breathe. What are you looking for? What do you want to see? And what don't you want to see in this position? That's what you wanted, a late move, like a late candle move, right? Just like that.
Order submitted.
Catch me off of these 616s, my boy. Come and get me. Come and get me. Don't be mean.
Order canceled.
I'll take a target there. What's next, Trent? Let me get one off. Can I get a 64, please? Just one? Squeeze the stop. Can I get a 64, please? Just one? They think I'm a joke. I ain't never been no joke. Go play with your mama now.
Target filled.
I'll take those 64s. Thank you very much. What's left? Let's go 662. Stop to 614. Lock that in. Now I'll go get some water. Y'all think I am a joke? Break your damn neck. Go get some water. Play the piano. Are my children here? Hey, Sid. You okay? It's good to see you.
See it.
You sleepy?
Yeah.
Still sleepy? You sore?
I'm not really storming.
Okay. You seen your sister? Where's she at? She went to sleep in the movie room? Oh, she in here. It's too dark, yeah. There she go. What's up, little girl? You all right? What you doing? Sleeping? Just chilling? What you watching shows? Get some golf clubs today. Actually, get some golf clubs today. Every man's got a problem. I'm not expecting you to solve it at all. Okay, I got kids and they still breathing. That's always good to know. Any questions about the market? Questions about candlesticks? Questions about, I don't know, buying and selling, how to make money, business, international affairs. You know that Iran settlement. His speech sounded a whole lot like Obama's speech with Iran a little while ago. It's like he I don't know. I don't know if he really won that one. That was I don't think he won that one. He's pretty good at making a deal, but he didn't do so good on that deal right there. That deal, it didn't go anywhere. You know what I'm saying? I have no hate against the guy. You know, he's a K. He's a guy. You know, whatever. But man, oh man, he didn't do so good on that deal.
I heard Israel was pissed.
Of course, they're gonna be pissed. Zionists will be pissed at anything that looks like peace.
Oh,
So
and I wanted
crazy.
to say separately, thank you. Yesterday you answered somebody's question. I think it was yesterday. And they asked about, um, I'm just paraphrasing, about time. What's the best thing to do to like increase your contract size or to wait it out in time? And your answer helped me a lot. I
Oh,
was
yeah.
always doing the one contract, and if I felt really, really strong, I would do two.
Mhm. Yeah.
and, and I was like, okay, so like today, even though it was a mistake, I pressed the button for one, but I must have the pressure hit four. But I was calm and I knew where my target was. You were talking and it brought my attention to I was like, well, what's he talking about? And I was like, oh, he's talking about gold. And then I set the target and I was like, okay, I could see it. And I took it and I was calm. And
Mm,
then I got out and that was it. But that helped me a lot.
that's good.
Your answer you said yesterday.
That's good. That's very good. I remember exactly what you're talking about because it's what I face in my own life. I don't think our lives should revolve around trading. I think trading should revolve around our life. And Wanda, you do a lot of work with a lot of people. You know what I'm saying? Depending on if it's somebody that you might be housing, friends, like your friends need you. You travel in and out of town with your friends. They'll come in, crash with you. You always kind of like being a good friend. You're like one of those people who like win the citizenship award. You know what I'm saying? Like you're one of those people. So, and because your life is so busy, we don't want to change our lives for the markets. We want to let the market change our life. So the vibe for me is if I have 30 minutes, how do I keep prosperous in that 30 minutes? And then what leverage can I use to turn the prosperity up and up and up more? And if I can make like it's just a simple math, but if with one contract Wanda, you already good for 1,000 in 30 minutes, it just sounds like if you want to make $10,000, use 10 contracts. You'll stay seated the same amount of time. You'll look at the same instruments. You'll do the same thing you've been doing. And it reminds me a lot. The reason that I say this and when I got this revelation, I was in Nashville, Tennessee. And I went to this hot chicken place, had my first piece of hot chicken ever had. It was crazy. And then we went down on this music street. I don't know the name of the street, but it's like a street with a lot of bars. And every bar was full of people and everywhere was music. I'm not lying. Every place had music. So I went inside this one place. One of them boys was in there smoking. Do you know what I'm telling you? I know music. Them guys who was on that stage, they could play any stage in the world, anyone. But they was in there making. I waited till they was on break because I wanted to understand the difference. So I sat there maybe 45 minutes, an hour. They took a break. When they took a break, I rushed the stage like a fan. I tipped them and I said, hey guys, I'm a musician from Miami. We play a bar like this. It's like Blue Martini, this other place, we got a company that books us and we might make 150 a night, $200 a night per person. You know what I'm saying? Tell me, what is it like up here? What's the scale like up here? He said, well, the bars, they'll pay us $20 a person out of the house. And then what we get is to split the tips. He says, so on a good night, we all might walk away with $500. Now it's four people in the band. So that means that they're making $2,000 worth of tips.
Wow.
But the house ain't paying them nothing. And I'm talking about these musicians. They could play with Steve Vai, Boney James, Steve Lukather. They could play with Whitney, Mariah. They could play. I'm talking about these guys are the kind of guys where they put on black suits, white shirts, and they go play the Oscars. Good. I mean, these are good guys. These guys can play. And it shocked my system. I say, Lord Jesus, what we need to do is find a way to leverage the talent. Not necessarily, we got to put it in a place where it'll make us more. It's not about being talented as much as it's about being talented in the right place. The right place becomes the leverage for the gift. And I felt the same way about the market. You can use that one contract and you can go from 0 to 10 and make 10 points.
Right.
Okay. Or you could use 20 contracts and go from 0 to 10 and you can make 200 points. That leverage, ooh, woo. I love that in the market because it's the same thing we've been doing, but now we just get to do it at more and more money. And I think that that's a great skill that you have there, the way that you observing that and the way that you're going to do it. Don't change your life, Just make more money doing the same thing you've been doing all year.
Thank
And
you.
you've been killing it this year.
I've been trying. I have a lot of growth. I can say that. I've experienced a great deal of growth. Most of it in the confidence, getting rid of the fear, understanding what you do. I was so proud of myself. When was the last time you set the chart? Whatever day that was, I had every line that you had.
Hey, we twins. We line twins. We line twins. I take it.
So I can see it, and I'm just happy to be here with everyone, with the community, and continue to grow.
Y'all give it up for Wanda. If y'all ever wonder who's putting those charts up and who's making sure all this stuff is there, it's
Thank you,
Thank
Wanda.
you, Wanda.
You're welcome.
Wanda,
Love the
Wanda,
charts.
Wanda.
And make the
Thank you,
money.
thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Wanda.
Wanda.
I'm gonna tell you, I know
welcome.
when I fell in love with Wanda, it was the day that I was talking about what was it, the singer, the R&B
You're
singer.
never gonna let that go.
That's the day I fell in love with her. I fell in love with her. I was like, okay, I see you, Wanda. Let's go. She became like, okay, well, I know if I get into a foxhole and I got Wanda with my back, we're gonna be all right. We're gonna be all
You
right.
got that right.
We're gonna be all right. We're gonna get home. You know, I love it. I love it. Are there any other questions about anything? Anything? B Rice, I still waiting on that call from you, big dog. I ain't get it.
I called you yesterday, dog.
You no.
Yeah, I missed the day though originally, but I called you yesterday,
No.
left your voicemail.
I did not see that call. I will call you today. My apologies.
All right.
My apologies. Hey, y'all, we got some amazing things. I'm gonna tell you what's coming up. Alicia, y'all give some love to Alicia right there. Now she's wondering what in the world is he about to say. I'm gonna tell you what we're doing. I'm good at the teaching thing, but I'm not the best in the world at some of this other stuff I need to do. And I'm so grateful. You know what God has done? He's put amazing people around me. Like Janelle. You saw what Janelle did today? That sounded like a real radio broadcast. I could put that in a video and put that somewhere and people would be like, "Oh, I'm going to that. Look at how she's saying that. That's crazy." um, the organizational skills and stuff like that. And then when it comes down to it, Alicia is also helping out with a lot of our operational things, like the way that the educational community functions, the way that we move like a hive, the way that we are structured. So I want to tell you guys, not only do we have the muscles, but we got the bones. You know what I'm saying? It's real. It's feeling good out here. And if it's not a tour, it's a book. If it's not a book, it's a course. If it's not a course, it's a classroom. If it's not a classroom, it's a trade call. If it's not a trade call from one mentor, it's a trade call from another. But I want you to recognize that we are, as a group, collectively making history. We're doing things that no one else is doing. Nobody. You know what I'm saying? Like nobody's doing the things that we are doing. No one is educating at this level. No one is putting themselves. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be honest. Do you know that we ran a trade room Christmas night? Do you know last year we had a mentor? Hey Jay, I'm about to go into the room. I say it's Christmas. She say it's okay. We run trade rooms the night of Thanksgiving. I'm talking about real commitment to other people. Real commitment. It's an amazing thing. It doesn't feel like we're making history, but we'll look back in 10 years and say, dang, that was something. That was something. And we were a part of it. We were an amazing, big, huge part of it. And I'm grateful to the world famous bond bullies. I'm grateful. Whether it's people who run trade rooms or have meetings, man, folks is just bringing structure, folks that's writing emails. It's really a big thing. It's amazing. So I'm just very grateful. And I appreciate you guys. I think we done. Yeah, it's 9:36. Anybody else got any more questions or in the red about anything?
I have a question. I'm a first timer in the trade room.
I remember your name though. Have you ever been here before at all?
Well, I've had your course for years.
I was about to say, I've said your name. I
And
still say the names of all my students. How you doing today?
I'm doing good, and I'm really impressed with because you don't get a chance to talk to the person that you're learning from one-on-one. I mean, you have to put stuff in the chat, and then they may see it and they may not and answer your question. So for you to be available and to actually speak to your people is something I haven't seen before, because I've done a lot of research into different trainings and things like that. I've only had one other person that you can actually talk to while you're learning and ask a question versus just putting it in the chat. So
Mhm.
I'm really impressed with that, and I would not have known that it was done until you invited us in for free on Thursday. So I'm so glad that I went ahead and stopped my other stuff and joined.
Thank
So with that being said, like I said, I've been knowing of you for some years. I do have, and this might be not the place to talk about it, but you tell me where to go to talk about it if this is not the place. But if I have the bond market mastery class and I had the Cash Kingdom, but I need something like this to say, okay, that means this and that means this. Do I
Mhm.
go to that class all over again and then come into the trade room, or is there another avenue for me to learn? I mean, I'm familiar with candles because I dipped and dab in forex and futures and all that. And but how do then I now do I get familiarized with the bond market? And I know it's Ninja Trader, and I kind of got everything, but I don't know how to put it together, get my questions asked, and then come here to the room and know what you're doing and how to be successful. Does that?
Okay. It makes a lot of I like that, Trav. I see you, baby. I was just talking about you a little earlier. Trav, you and J Rob, y'all gotta meet. Y'all brothers got a lot in common. Um, to answer your question though, Sherry, it makes a lot of sense what you're saying. So the way that I like to teach my students is in three phases. I like them to have education, curriculum, like real, if you go to school, they should give you a book. You know what I'm saying? So something you can refer to. That's very first. The second thing that you need is apprenticeship. Because what book knowledge is one thing, but watching somebody do it is a different thing. Like if I read how to make a cake, okay. But if I'm reading how to make a cake and I'm with a baker, that's a different thing. So that's why the trade room, that's what you're talking about. Having a place for apprenticeship where you watch people do stuff and you can say, hey, how you did that? Why you did that? Hey, I read in my course that when you do that, sometimes it go good, sometimes it go bad. Why you felt good about doing it this time? Whatever. And then the other thing that you have to have after you have curriculum and apprenticeship, you got to have practicum. Now, practicum is something that I get from like the medical field. I have a sister-in-law who she went out there for being a doctor, and she talked about this. And what they do is the same skills. Like they'll have a skill lab. Like, okay, in this room, you go in here and you just practice suturing. That's all you're doing. You're gonna suture oranges. You're gonna suture apples. You're gonna suture bananas. You're gonna suture, suture, suture. And this other one, this other room, might just be only for cutting. How do we measure a 1 inch cut with the blade? You know what I'm saying? So what that is in your career as a trader is you actually practicing alone. So this is the real three-step formula. Have a book, that's your course. Have a room where you can be with people doing it and learn from someone that knows how. And then on your own, no more than maybe 30 minutes a day, practice the skill. How to click the button, where your eyes should be looking, how to move the orders around on a chart, little things like that. So if you wanted to be a part of this room on a regular basis, there is a link that I will give you. Let me make sure. It's called Open Trade Room link. Let me go to it right now. I'm on my phone. I'm not on my computer, so I'm going here and let me go trade room. Oh, Jesus, help me get it right. I feel like an old man can't find the links. I gotta go down to 2026 links. Boom, on my bookmarks. Oak Trade Room. No, yup, this one right here. This the one that you need. Now I'm copying it and I'm gonna put it in your in the Zoom chat. Yes, this is it. My boy Adrian, he was in here earlier, but Adrian just joined the trade room last night. He said, Jay, I'm in the trade room. This is a keyboard player I used to work with for years. We worked together. Okay, I got the link. Now I'm going to the chat and I'm putting it in the chat right now.
Okay.
There you go. It's called Open Trade Room Sales Page. And on that page, what you will find are different options for different courses, as well as the trade room subscription. I think the trade room is a fantastic place to be, not because you only are around people and you get the apprenticeship sharing, but I think the best part of it is not being alone on the journey, because the journey is not the easiest thing to do. You know what I'm saying? It's not the easiest, but what happens, people come around you and I don't know how it happens, but what they do is almost like they celebrate you. They make you feel like you're seen. They recognize today might not be the strongest day. You know, like sometimes, you know how it's like a Zoom chat with everybody, but then you can like message somebody specifically. Sometimes there'll be people, they just message me, hey Jay, I can see that it's heavy on you today. Keep your head up, keep going. You know, if you're going through a tough time, you know, so it's a beautiful thing to be in this room. And man, I can't wait to answer more of your questions. You see what I'm saying? I can't wait. Y'all give her show her some love, sharing love to you. Unmute your
Welcome,
mic.
fam. Welcome, fam.
Thank you.
Welcome, Sherry.
Welcome, Sherry.
I love it.
Ooh, such a dark voice.
Uh-oh.
Any other questions about anything?
No, thank you. I'll definitely be
You
back
gonna be
next
in the
week.
city for one day and you out?
Say it again, bro. You
You
do
gonna
this.
be in the city for one day and you out? You just
No,
flying
I'm
in and
coming
out?
in on the 8th. I got a Janelle set up where I got to do a radio show on the 8th. Then we doing social action every city we go to. So we're trying to find a school or place where we can go and teach kids the market and show them how to make some money.
Who you work that with? The director of the school, the principal?
A school, a halfway house, a place where some inmates at. I want to go somewhere where people, I could just say, hey, this is what I do. I trade the market. Like you heard what Chris said today. It's crazy. Y'all think like it's people who got 5 million followers and they don't make half as much money as you making. I'm telling you, it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful thing that you don't have to do nothing wild and risk your freedom to get money like an athlete. You know what I'm saying? Like you could really make $50,000, $60,000 a day out here doing this. And you don't have to go to practice or break your back. So I'm looking for all those kinds of places, man. Kids got, schools and stuff like that. I'm looking for halfway houses, um, battered woman shelters, prisons and jails, anywhere where I can go in and teach. Give me 2 hours and some candles. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna teach. Then then we do the thing. So I think we end on the 8th and we're gonna be there from the 8th to the 11th. But the actual like workshop is the 10th, that Friday.
But school is out in the summertime.
Somebody got some kids somewhere.
Yeah, because I'm thinking of two schools that would be perfect for you, but
They
they
don't
would
have
have,
summer school.
huh?
They don't do summer school.
Well, those like little kids. It's two
Oh,
in my neighborhood that would be just perfect. I mean, if we can't do it this time, maybe I can speak to the director and do it
Where
when
you
they're
from,
actually in
Wanda?
school. Huh? New York. I'm right here in Harlem.
Are you from Harlem?
Central Harlem, right
I
here,
thought you was from
124th
the
Street.
West Coast.
No, I'm right here in Harlem.
I'm from Washington Heights.
Yeah, my guy, he's up there. I'll put some feelers out for you, Jay.
thank you so much.
Hey,
Uptown.
dog.
Shout out to the people that's uptown. One time I ended up in Harlem and I was on, I don't know what street it was, but it was kind of boring. And then it turned like 4 p.m., 5 p.m. That street started getting groovy out there. I'm talking about people was moving. It was all kinds of restaurant energy. It was vibing. I'm like, oh, I'm on a good street right now. This where
Man,
they,
you got some 4 million, $6 million brick houses in Harlem now. It's going up.
Yep, I'm in one of them.
bruh, I'm talking about cold-blooded. Cold-blooded. I loved it out there. I didn't know how I ended up that far. I think I had to go to a bank and it was like one random location somewhere. And then me and Angelica was like, man, we hungry. What we gonna eat? What we gonna eat? And we end up going to Samuelson's restaurant because we
Oh,
went to Red Rooster because there's one in Miami. We like, well, we know Red Rooster. We can go in here and get some chicken wings or something like that. And we sat, they had some music cooking inside of there. When we came out, we
that's
was
right,
looked
two
up the
blocks
block.
away from me.
I looked up the block. I'm like, oh, it's grooving out here. I'm like, they moving out here. They said, hey, let's not go back to the hotel, babe. Let's stroll a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Let me take you to go get some frozen yogurt or something. Let's move around. You start feeling that energy. I'm like, oh, this feels good. This good right here. This walking around in Harlem.
Mm-hmm.
You know, this is a world famous neighborhood. Think about it.
Yep.
You don't have many neighborhoods that's world famous. Really. I'm from a place called Richmond Heights. Nobody else knows that, you know, but around the world they know Harlem, you know.
Yeah.
Hey Jay, first thing in the trade room.
It's your first day?
Yes,
Oh, that's
sir.
Adrian?
Adrian from Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
Hey, look what I'm doing, bro. Still got it.
Oh, you still
Still got it.
you
Still
still got it. I see.
got it. My boy, not gonna let it go. Still
You're
got
not, I know you not.
Never gonna let it go.
We can't
Everybody,
lose that stuff. It's a part of us, man.
everybody, this Adrian Morrison is one of the keyboard players I worked with for such a long time. We done went inside and did some real work together. Live recordings, Sunday services, rehearsals, writing records, mixing sessions.
Yeah.
A lot of good work, man. How's the family?
They're good, man. They good. They good, man. They living and breathing.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. First time in the trade room, huh? How you feeling?
Feeling good, man. This is a lot, but I'm taking it all in.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know, you used to play two keyboards in front of you, two
That's
monitors on
true.
your left, and two keyboards on your right. I remember your station. So
Yeah.
you was dealing with a lot. Plus, you was running the track off the right hand side of your top keyboard. You was running the laptop. So
Yeah.
I don't think
I can
these.
do it. This
I
is
don't.
my tools. Yeah. I can do
I don't think it. I don't think you're gonna have a hard time with these. You know, you just get your sea legs slowly but surely, and a lot of rehearsal. A lot of rehearsal. Everybody, there's this wonderful feature inside of Ninja Trader, and it's called Market Replay. And it's one of the most amazing things. You know, get to it. Get to Market Replay. You can go back as like DVRing a trading day, and you can rewind, fast forward, play, and you can practice what you would or would not do. I know I mentioned practicum to Sherry. That's really what I do. I'll go back. Man, you know what? I got smoked last Tuesday. Let me go check and see what happened. You know, that sort of thing. You can find out, hey, what happened on Tuesday? How did I miss that? What should I have been seeing? What should I have been looking for? So it's a beautiful thing. Um, yeah, yeah. Y'all made some money. Put your money in the chat, man. Let me see how much money y'all made today. Y'all made some money. George say you up 4,600 for the day. I see you, big dog. I see you. Who else got some Terrence? I see you, T Munger.
from Detroit, 1,000. JD put 2,200 on the glass. B Rice put another 17 on the glass, 1,700, 850 for Trav, and 475 and 2 combines. Trav, you crazy with it. I told you you're gonna be Trav. To me, it's like you phase 2, phase 3. I think phase 1, you done. 844 eval, 750 PA. Q dog, I see you, dog. Ain't that the bro? That's the bros, ain't it? Chaz, that's you?
Yes, sir. What's good, bro?
Ain't nothing to you. I see you, dog. Hey, dog, you going to Clay?
I'll be at Clay. I plan to make an appearance. So yeah, for sure. We got to link up.
Dog, I'm gonna see you at Clay, dog. I'm gonna see you at Clay.
Most definitely. Most definitely.
You know, I'll be somewhere around the grill. I'll be in the vicinity of the grill.
One of the many that'll be out. So I'll have to look out, put an APB out for it.
It'll be very traditional. Do not look for Jay the Trader, for he will not be there.
Jay, I got a question.
Yes, please. Oh, that sounded like
Yes.
the God. Is that you, Lord?
Yes, it's me,
At
son.
least Morgan Freeman.
15, you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I just want to know, is anyone in the trading room using trading view? Because I'm still trying to get adjusted to it. That's all. I can't seem to find anyone that's using trading view.
How you doing?
You can use it on Mac.
I'm using it, man.
There you go.
Yeah.
Got it.
I'll shoot you my information and your DM real quick.
Okay, thank you.
You got it.
How you doing, baby?
Good.
You okay?
Mm-hmm.
That's good. Had a good workout?
Yeah, today wasn't bad. It was hurdles outside
Hurdles?
and then like incline lift inside.
Incline lift? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Incline bench?
Yeah,
Okay. How you feeling?
good.
That's good.
I want to eat something, but I'm probably get
I was wondering, you know what I need to do? I need to go buy some chickens
do why?
so I can grill them in the evening, but then you know how we'll leave some of it to be for
Yeah.
lunch, so lunch is easy, just air fry it and have a quick lunch.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know. I'm maybe gonna check whatever you guys got from Trader Joe's.
We did a little, you know, what you call it, freezer food.
Yeah.
136 eval, 148. Derek, I see you. Wanda with the 560. Closes at 1 p.m. Okay, that's the Juneteenth. Thank you, Jan. Y'all, my baby just made it back from her workout. She been working out like crazy. One say got 5 evals, 800 in each. Yeah. You say smooth is a smooth beast. I like it. Summer camps would be good. George got the 460. Abina, I see you. 640 in your eval. Proud of you. Way to go. All we're gonna do is keep going just like that. Nice and easy. Stay close. Stay close. You feel me, Abina? Stay close. You might have it. That's cool. I went to a Catholic church one time. The priest said, if you want to go fast, you can go by yourself. But if you want to go far, you got to go with people. So let's stay close, okay? Let me see. Danny the Flower Child, 548. Danny, I would love to see your P&Ls on the Tuesday. Dominique, 1020 live. Proud of you, Dominique. 1300. Arrington, 1 combine. Derek, 254 eval, MNQ. So you decided to turn back on the machines, huh, coach? 907 ES eval. B Hub, down 1600, but got it all back. Thank the Lord. All you do now, I want you to ask yourself, how did I get down? Chances are it was one big loss where you knew you should have cut it when it was only $200 down. Trill, 990 and 262. Easy work. Tosh, 1885. Tosh, I think right now you need to call me so we can have an appointment about what you planning to do with this skill now. 685, sister's account. She's at Air Force Boot Camp and 2950 in the personal. I love it, Michelle. Good job. Showtime. I love you all, man. There's absolutely nothing you could do about it. Because if you beat me up, all I do is get up after you beat me up and brush myself off and love you while I'm swollen. So there's nothing you could do about it. My wife made it home, so now I don't want to do no work. I just want to ask her how she's doing. So I got to go. Talk on the Wall says that's about all. I've enjoyed you all and had a ball.
Boom, boom, skeet, skeet. That's it. Your boy Jay's got a split.
Happy Father's Day,
to the
brother.
fathers.
Hey, happy Father's Day, everyone, to the fathers.
Yeah, happy Father's Day,
Happy
sir.
Father's Day.
Love
Happy
y'all.
Father's Day, everyone.
Thanks, Jay. Appreciate
Father's
you.
Day.
Happy
I
Father's
already know what
Day.
it is, man. I think we called another 8,000 a day. Not bad. Good work.
Sorry, Jesus.
Sorry, Jesus. It ain't tripping if you got it, dog. If you got it, you got it.